Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key for the topic National Movements in India, Partition and Independence of 10th Standard for the date 27th June 2020. Here we have the first question children. Is India a republic state? Yes. India is a republic state or a country. What is the reason here we are saying the republic state or a country in the sense here the government either directly or indirectly through elections. Some of the candidates are going to be taken through elections. Some of the candidates are going to be taken directly. So the government which have been formed through directly or indirectly in the form of elections or by the election pattern. We call it as a republic state. Coming to the answer children. Yes. India is a republic state because the head of the country was elected either directly or indirectly. Elected directly or indirectly. Clear children? We are moving to the next one. How do you respond to Gandhiji's reaction on the day of independence? How do you respond? Gandhi's reaction on the day of independence. Yeah children, here we have a question. So in my opinion, as we all know that we got the independence on August 15, 1947. Throughout the country, many people, not only from the royal families, clear children, all the people in the country have been gone through celebrating the independent movement. But the person who hasn't celebrated the independent day is about Gandhi. Why? What is the reason in the sense? He is not satisfied for the partition of the country. The first reason is about he is not satisfied at all. Why? Because he is not willing that the country is supposed to be divided. In the sense like the country which have been separated on August 14, 1947 was Pakistan. We all well known about it. So Gandhi hasn't accepted the partition of the country, clear, as he strongly believes that the people in the country are supposed to be like brotherhood nature. He also believed that, he also gave a number of statements that the country doesn't mean only for so and so community. Clear children, that is the reason. And the first reason. And second reason, what is the second reason here about? As the action or the action which has been taken at Noakhali in Bengal. The nurturing the victims of Noakhali in Bengal. So this is the second reason also children. So the first reason is about he is not satisfied for the partition of the country. is a clear children. The second reason about nurturing of the victims in Noakhali in Bengal. Clear children. We are moving to the next question. Coming to the third question, children. What are Commonwealth countries? What are Commonwealth countries? The countries which are under the control of the British government, here, why I am using the British government in the sense, the group of countries once ruled by British government or British are called as Commonwealth countries. In imperial country, for example, so the group of countries once ruled by British as an imperial country, where we call the countries as Commonwealth countries. A group of countries once ruled by British as an imperial country, where we call it as a Commonwealth countries. Clear children? We are moving to the next question now. Who was the Prime Minister in Britain at the time of war? Who was the Prime Minister of British at the time of war? So coming to the answer, children, 1 second please. Yeah, coming to the answer. At the time of war, the Prime Minister of the British is none other than Winston Churchill. So the person is about Winston Churchill. He was the Prime Minister of British at the time of war. Clear children? We are moving to the next question, last fifth question. So what is the question here? Who are more willing to help Indians attain freedom? I repeat the question, children. Who are more willing to help Indians to attain freedom? The conservatives. Next, the labor parties. Were more willing to help Indians to attain freedom. And we all know that from 1915 to 1942, some movements, satyagrahas, have been taken part in the support of the laborers, especially from the mill workers, and in the support of the employees. So these are all the things made the positive nature in the laborers to support India to get about freedom. So who are all those in the sense? Conservatives and the labor parties. Clear children? I hope you enjoyed this session. Have a nice day. Thank you.